welcome back to my channel. If you don't know already, my name is Alicia, and if you have not hit the subscribe button, what are you doing? Make sure you subscribe. On this channel, we discuss fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I do lifestyle with my vlog. I want to start I incorporate my beauty because I feel that fashion and beauty go hand in hand. Like, you can't have a nice fit on and then like you just looking so I think they go hand in hand. But what I want to start doing when I do these videos is actually, what I want to do when I start doing these videos is maybe like have a way of you guys getting to know me. You guys haven't asked me any questions or anything, so I just looked up some random questions on TikTok and I'm gonna ask those questions. So with that being said, I'm gonna do a full face of Dose of Colors. I feel like this company is very slept on. I know for sure that this company is great for bridal. I love their lip products. I love their lip products. I feel like the company is very slept on. So with that being said, let's get to the okay, yeah. Per usual, we're doing my face with the items that I have already. I'm gonna start. I did already do my eyebrows, of course, off camera, because I don't know if they do or don't have brow products, but I don't have any of their brow products. So what I look for, what I need, let's answer one of these questions. So for starters, I got these questions off of TikTok. I just looked up random questions, random Q&As, random questions, pet peeves no one else understands. So I'm not sure if no one else understands, but my pet peeve is, one of my pet peeves, I would say, is repeating myself. I have no idea why. And then it's like, I can't stand when other people repeat themselves. I don't know why. I hate it. I hate it so bad. That's one of my biggest icks. Like, I don't know. I have no reason why. Like, that grinds my gear more than anything. And I get flustered so quick. Before we continue this video, I want to thank this person right here. Thank you so much for commenting this down below, and it made me realize I haven't did a video like this in a minute. So thank you so much. And I want to start doing that. Like, I'm not a big YouTuber or anything, but I want to start giving shout outs. Maybe that would encourage you guys to comment down below more often. But yeah, make sure you guys are interacting with me down below. So shout out to this comment down below, and I'm happy that it helps you. It helped you wanna go. It was actually a comment from my Morphe video. Odd things that makes me happy. I wouldn't necessarily say odd things that makes me happy, because I think this will make everybody happy. But I love a clean house. I wouldn't say I'm a perfectionist, but I'm a perfectionist. This might not be my color because I've been in the sun, y'all. I've been at the pool, everything. So it might not be my color. Well, we're gonna make something shake. It used to be my color. Or does it oxidize? I done got a little dark out here. Yeah, let me go back to that question. Number 2, odd things that makes you happy. Yeah, I think I answered that. Question number 3 is overrated emojis. Overrated emojis is that, what is that called? Eggplant emoji. Overrated. Overrated. Well, I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit longer. Hold on. Okay, so I don't have contour in what's that called? Blush and Dose of Color. What am I allergic to? Outside. But seriously, I really do feel like I'm allergic to outside. If I'm outside for a long period of time, I do have allergic reaction. I haven't took that test, what they do. I'm allergic to outside for real, or Georgia outside. I had allergic reaction, like literally almost died. If I didn't get to the hospital when I did, I probably would have. That can be another story. I probably had like a couple of near-death experience. Giving birth was a near-death experience for me. I don't know if I'm allergic to epidural or whatever, but yeah, that can be a different video if you guys want to know more about that. It says, what is something that you're bad at but wants to get better? I've been practicing on doing hair a lot more, like fixing my parts. I don't understand why can't I try my best to do straight parts. It takes me a long time. Like, I can do the actual style pretty well, but to do straight parts, oh my god, Oh my God. That's what take the longest, is having my parts straight. And if you guys didn't know, my son have hair. His hair is very long actually. And I just practice on him, which is something that you bad at. And I mean, I can say that, and also like something in real life. Like, I wouldn't say I'm a bad communicator, but I do feel like I keep things bottled up. And then sometimes it comes out wrong when I want to express myself. So yeah, that's something I want to get better at, as well as communicating and picking me first. Picking me first, I say that because at the end of the day, that's who I can count on, is myself. I try to be there for everybody else, and then like when people are like that, like they try to be there for everyone else, most of the time nobody's there for you. And that's just been my opinion of it. Others could be different, totally different, but that's my opinion. I have a lot of lit. Okay, so I have a couple of Dose of Color palette that I can actually use. I have the Desi and Kate Francation Sassy Sienna and the Mickey Mouse. I think I want to use the Mickey Mouse because I think it have a contour and everything in here, so it looks like that. Get some more questions. What is my favorite kind of sandwich? I like, these questions are really random, huh? My favorite kind of sandwich, I love a grilled cheese, but I don't like regular grilled cheese. I love grilled cheese with, what's that called? Turkey meat. But I also love, I don't know if you want to say sandwich or sub, but same thing as well. Like, I don't eat pork, so gotta have the, okay, so if I was to order at Subway or somewhere, some sandwich place, or even Publix, you know, Publix got good subs. If I was to order at any one of those places, this is what I would order. I'll get it on wheat bread with turkey, white American, lettuce, tomato, banana pepper, toasted, well, salt and vinegar, well, no, salt and pepper with Italian dressing, or I forgot that other dressing. What is that? I'm just gonna start doing random things. My favorite food, I love soul food, or if it's not soul food, I love seafood. I love me some seafood. But I also want to go pescatarian, vegan, something in that sort. I want to do, because I wouldn't say I have health issues, but I have health issues. I was diagnosed with thyroids when I was pregnant, well, after I had my son. So thyroids, fibroids, all of it, I got it. If you don't know, if you change your diet up some, a lot of symptoms or a lot of things could be preventative. If I didn't show you guys the palette already, that's a blush, and yeah. Another question. This says wear all of your hats. I'm not sure what they mean about that, but I will take it as like how many hats I wear. Okay, so let's, you know, normally people say like I wear a lot of hats, like a lot of jobs, right? So first and foremost, I am a mother. I am a mother. Let me see, I'm not sure if I'm feeling this eyeshadow. First and foremost, I am a mother. That's the most important job to me. That's the most, I feel like I was put on this earth to be a mom, right? Let's speak this into existence. Okay, so I'm a content creator. I'm a notary. I'm a fashion consultant. I'm a fashion, like I clean out closets. And I release them on like places that people wanna shop on. I release them on there. I'm a virtual assistant. I really love doing that because like I'm not the type to like promote I wouldn't say promote my business, but I love helping other people, and virtual assistants give me the ability to do so. Like I can reach out to someone and then, or they can reach out to me. Like you see my work, you can reach out to me, or word of mouth. The best form of, yeah, let me see. I don't think I'm liking this eyeshadow look. Okay, I forgot what all did I name, but yeah. And the list goes on because I continue to add things. Oh, I'm a DIYer. I love a good DIY. Like I'm a creative. Ooh, I love being creative. I'm a motivated speaker, baby. Like someone tell me that they want to do something, I'ma push them, send them information, making sure they do it. You know what? And I hate this eyeshadow look. Hold on. Okay, so I really feel like I should have did a different palette, but okay, whatever. Okay, let's get to some deep questions. It says, what are your top 3 priorities in life? My top 3 priorities in life. My goal, top 3 priorities, everything, is to be the best mom I can be. That is definitely near and dear to my heart. Like, that is the ultimate goal. And my son feel like I'm the best mom in the world, which he always tells me. You're the best mom in the world. That lights up my day. That's number 1, my top priority. And number 2 is to provide for my son no matter what. Again, that's another reason why I do what I do. Number 3 is to live life and enjoy it. I'm just now trying to tap into that. I know that's sad, but yeah, I'm just now trying to tap into living my life and enjoying it. But that's a priority of mine. And bettering myself each and every day. Bettering myself each and every day, that's a priority of mine. Let me answer all these serious questions. If your life were a book, what would the title be? If my life was a book, what would the title be? What would the title be? I think the title will be A New Beginnings. I feel like I rebrand myself or come out each and every time. Like, I want better for myself. So I'm not the same person I was yesterday. I'm not the same person I was the day before yesterday. I'm not the same person I was last year or the year before last. I try my best not to be. That's my opinion. If you could go back in time, would you change anything? If I can go back in time, would I change anything? That is a good question. I always say that I never regret anything because that's the reason why I'm here right now. That's wherever I'm at, that's where God wanted me to be at that time. Or wherever place I'm at, that's where God wanted me to be at that time. So I wouldn't necessarily change anything. I don't remember the last time I had a heart. Well, I laugh at my son a lot. Like, my son is hilarious. Like, if YouTube wouldn't flag things about kids being on pages, my son probably would be on my, I don't know, because people are weird. I don't want to have to deal with this stuff that other people deal with. But I was gonna say he would be on my page more, but I don't know. But I don't know the last time I laughed like really hard. Like, I've been going through some things, y'all. Do I believe in soulmates? I do. I don't know if I want to elaborate on that or anything, but yes, I do believe in soulmate. All right, so I'm not the best at putting on lashes, but I just got them putting on her lashes. You guys, the final is one of my favorite. If you are a lippy girl, Dose of Color got you. I got a couple of different Dose of Color lips. Yeah, I'll use that. This is the Mickey Mouse Connection, one and only, since I have duplicates of that, and I'm not sure where's the other one at. Okay, so this is lip gloss. We can do that. So I outlined my lips.